Hi, we meet again. I'm Melvin from e-commerce group. Now I'm going to explain the knowledge block about e-commerce support service. In this block, we may talking about 4 chapters from chapter 8 until chapter 11. Okay, now we are moving. Chapter 8 is talking about marketing and advertising. Chapter 9 is talking about security and protection. Chapter 10 is talking about payment system, and chapter 11 about order fulfillment. Okay, let's start with chapter 8. In this chapter, there are some sub-chapters about behavior online, decision making, electronic market research, mobile marketing, and category of ads, one-to-one marketing. Let's start with the type of marketing, categories of advertising in e-commerce. The major category of advertising is how to categorize classify the display, interactive advertisement, banner, some type of banner is random, live, benefit and limitation, pop-up banner, pop-under, email marketing, email advertising. And about mobile marketing is one of the marketing method used from your mobile device. So advertiser create advertising concept and what is the requirement, and they develop it to mobile advertising network. They create the multimedia content, text, image, video to mobile system, and they distribute the advertising so that advertising we can receive using our mobile device recipient. Now we are moving to one-to-one marketing. It's like a door-to-door. So identity who is our customer, differentiate what's gonna be our added value, and interact with our target customer and customize what is our customer need so we can compete with our competitors. In marketing, it's about how's the behavior of the customer, because from that behavior they may take decision. Start from uncontrollable variable, customer characteristic we can control. We should customize our product or service with the customer characteristic and environment characteristic, like cultural, the place. For example, McDonald's, their main product is fried chicken, but they may customize the product with the culture in the country. Like in Asia, in Indonesia, which is the main food is about rice, so they sell the fried chicken with the rice. We can control it. We should adapt with those criteria as our marketing strategy. Also, merchant and intermediary characteristic, we should pay attention to see what is the behavior of our customer. Okay, after we know uncontrollable variables, now we are developing the characteristic of our product or service. The type, knowledge, availability, customization, quality, tangible, price, brand. So these two factors may drive attitude and behavior of our customer, so they can have intention to purchase. After intention to purchasing, post purchase, they may loyalty repurchase. Okay, now we are going to decision making. What is the consideration of customer? They need identification and information about the product, so they may evaluate the alternative, then they purchase. And post purchase is about the how to build loyalty from customer. And then the last point is about e-market research. It's about data collection in Web 2.0 environment. I'll show you one of the example of e-market research. Here's e-marketer. So they are providing data, insight and perspective. Their client is a lot. They have a lot of clients globally around the world. See who is the customer. Amazon use their service, Unilever use their service, General Electric use their service, to understanding what kind of trends of product and services which has more potential. Okay, that is about chapter 8. Now we are going to chapter 9. It's talking about security and protection. There is 3 points. It's about method, the strategy and security system. The method in security, chapter 9, is talking about the attach technical. Attach technical is about the virus, the type of virus, like Trojan, worm, and the real surface attack, page hijack, and marketizing. And then the marketing, the management strategy and security and protection. The manager shall consider about the risk management, the cost benefit analysis, and calculating the cost of fraud prevention system, and also some critical points, which is about ethical issue. The strategy is from the regulatory external, then financial internal, then marketing and operation internal, how to control the security in their business environment. And the last point is about security system, encryption and the one key system to prevent intruder, how to encrypt the algorithm key value, and then the symmetric key encryption,
private key, how to develop it, the plain text message, encrypt to clipper text, and after the message going to the receiver, they will decrypt, so the message is going to the real message. Okay, now we are going to chapter 10. It's about payment system. It's really interesting. There are 3 subchapter: electronic system in payment, and electronic checking, and card system. E-checking. Let's move to the e-checking. Customer and merchant, they are doing the trading in internet. So this is the authorized network. They authorize the merchant's bank account and authorize the customer account, architecture network, so the process will be done and authorization is successfully. Card system is talking about several types of cards: credit card, debit card, multiple card, and smart card as payment card. An electronic system. In B2B payment system, there are EIPP models, pay to the seller direct, the buyer pay direct, and using consolidator. Mobile payment is payment using your mobile device, and electronic micropay. Here is some example. Electronic commerce, the technology of the e-commerce payment system. Here's the video. How's the flow process in electronic payment system? Understanding online payments, the process involves different categories, describe the situation, process, understand the major type of mobile payment, the payment methods in B2B electronic commerce. You may see the video later, open from our link. Okay, now we are going back. The micro payment example. This is the company called TechTrack Incorporate. They are providing service to the micro payment system, issuing the client card, issuing the smart card, developing application from client card and application for merchants chip, host application, and so on. It's like this. It's like the flow process in payment system, as I said before. Same. Okay, now we are going to the last chapter in this blog. It's chapter 11. It's talking about order fulfillment. There are 5 sub-chapters. What is the problem, solution, support service in order fulfillment, and we are going to talking about RFID and CPFF. The first point is about the problem in order fulfillment. The typically supply chain and why supply chain problem exists. because the third-party logistics supplier inefficient financial supply chain can create business to a halt, and the need of information sharing along the supply chain. And some solution for repair the problems, which is improve the order taking activity, warehouse management system, speeding delivery, and partnering effort, so integrated global logistics system, and also the support service solution in order fulfillment, consulting service, more support service slash trust service, and outsourcing electronic commerce support activities, so we can ready anytime whenever the customer has a problem, we can immediately respond to them. Okay, this is the digital supply chain, RFID. RFID, which is getting famous and famous nowadays. What is that? Is like a machine to read what's your transaction. CPFR is supply chain strategy analysis, what we need, assess the manufacturer, and planning what we are going to do, and do the order, demand, supply, and execution. Yeah, here is the some external link talking about the order fulfillment. You may see the shipping. You can track your shipping goods, so all of your product will be under control and efficiently to prevent some packet loss. Okay, you may see the video by yourself. CPFR, and then RFID. Here is some journal about RFID. So that is my explanation about this blog, about electronic commerce, about service blog. Okay, thank you for your attention and see you again.